Good evening. Okay, so today we are doing cooking curry at the camp. I decided to vlog it, so here we go. We're just walking down the path. Yep. I got my stuff. My dog has run off. And here's the camp. It's looking pretty swell. Let's see who's inside. It's gonna be a surprise. Peter! Yay! Smells like chili.
Oh, a lot of chili killing now.
We're gonna be here for like 2 hours cooking curry.
Find your way in the snowstorm,
Wow, it was so hard. Did you bring my ginger ale?
Yeah.
Good job.
I brought everything. Hey,
Okay.
I have either.
Do you want your jacket off? Is it too hot in here? I'm gonna melt two things of chickpeas. Okay, you recognize those.
Yeah, was it the whole rest?
They are,
None of that was in the chili one.
no, they are crazy hot.
Yeah.
I'll help you.
Yeah, yeah. You know me better now, I don't need help.
Neither do I.
Oh, look at it! It looks nice!
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah, but we don't have holes in it. We don't have holes in it.
Think I can make this stay? Like, so it has on our stove? Oh, yeah, look at that.
Alright, get the
Check that.
little thing for...
Check that out.
There, you go.
Okay, is it supposed to take, nope, it's not done yet. 90 seconds each side. That's nice. That's nice. This is our bread. You like the bok choy? That's awesome. It's so cool that you're trying it. We made bread at the camp.